Now, this type of question can be a little bit tricky. The aim of the simplification that you have to do is to generate both sides of the equation with the same base number. Let me show you how that works. The first thing we can do is that we can divide 3 into 24 and get 8. Okay, we get 4 to the 2k plus 8 is equal to 8. Well, 8 is 2 raised to the power 3, and 4 is 2 raised to the power 2. So replacing both of those, I get 2 to the power 2. Let's pop him in a bracket, because this is all raised to the power 2k plus 8. You see, all I've done is take the 4 and transformed it into 2 squared. And this is equal to 2 cubed. Now we've got to lose the bracket. The 2 will multiply the 2k and it will multiply the 8. Okay, so we get 2 to the power 4k plus 16 is equal to 2 to the power 3. We've done it. Well, if we've got the same base number and we've got an equal sign, it must be that 4k plus 16 must equal 3. So 4k must equal negative 13, the 16 subtracting from both sides. So therefore, k is equal to negative 13 over 4. And if I've done the arithmetic right, that is your answer.